WordPress is a popular content management system CMS that allows users to create and manage websites without requiring advanced technical knowledge or coding skills. It provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable themes and plugins, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. Here are some key points about WordPress. Functionality. WordPress offers a versatile platform and building various types of websites, including blogs, e-commerce sites, portfolios, business websites, and more. It provides essential features such as post and page creation, media management, user management, and search optimization as well tools. Themes. WordPress offers a vast library of themes that determine the overall appearance and layout of your website. Users can choose from free and premium themes, customize them according to their needs, or create their own themes from scratch. Plugins. WordPress has a robust plugin architecture allowing users to extend the functionality of their websites easily. There are thousands of free and premium plugins available covering the areas such as content forms, SEO optimization, security enhancement, e-commerce integration, social media sharing, and much more. Ease of use. WordPress is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. The admin dashboard provides a simple and intuitive way to manage content, customize the site, and handle various settings without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Customization. WordPress provides extensive customization options to tailor your website's appearance and functionality. Users can modify themes, create custom page templates and widgets to sidebars, and make changes to the CSS code for more advanced modifications. Community and support. WordPress has a vast and active community of users and developers. You can find numerous online resources, forums, and tutorials to help you on troubleshoot issues, learn new techniques, and get advice from experienced users. Security. WordPress takes security seriously and regularly releases updates to address vulnerabilities and enhance the overall security of the platform. However, it's important for users to follow best practices, such as keeping WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated and using strong passwords to ensure the security of your websites. Hosting options. WordPress can be self-hosted, where you install it on your own server or hosting provider, or you can use WordPress.com, a platform that provides hosting and simplified version of WordPress with some limitations. Overall, WordPress is a powerful and flexible CMS that empowers individuals and businesses to create and manage their websites efficiently. Its ease of use, extensive customization options, and large community make it a popular choice of website creation.